Hi and welcome back to Joel's DIY. Glad to be back in this new year 2022, and I'm here with my first video of the year. And here I have the IBM ViaVoice, which is basically a speech-to-text application that you can install on a computer of this type, so that you're able to speak into a microphone and it translates text in perhaps a Microsoft Word document. I'm going to go ahead and demo this today, being that I got the old HP Pavilion 6636 running. If you remember, almost a year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, I actually refurbished this computer. I'm not going to say restore it, but I refurbished it and I added a solid state drive and cleaned it up and replaced the DVD drive. So this thing is working flawlessly. As you can see, I also have, let me move this aside for a second. I also have the monitor that basically pairs up with my computer. This is also an HP Pavilion monitor MX50, and I got the correct speakers that go on the sides, and then I also have the keyboard and mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this so we can take a look at what's inside. This item was made back in 1997, so it's basically mint condition. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and we'll have a look at what's inside. Alright, so here's a good look at the box. You can see, and there's a barcode at the bottom. It's actually the label that's been put on top of another label. I don't know what the label underneath says, but for Windows 95 and Windows NT. I'm hoping that this might work on Windows 98. I don't see why it wouldn't, but we're going to give it a try anyways. Here's some of the, it's written on the side. And here's more details in the back. InfoWorld mentions that IBM had strong recognition and was easy to use. Marks a quantum leap in power, flexibility, ease of use. Clearly outperforms its competitors. Don't know who the competitors were. IBM confirmed its standing as the leader in voice dictation software. Okay. So the view at the side of the box and the front. Typical 90s kind of setup right there, and it does come with a headset and microphone, so that's kind of cool. 25% rebate. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be able to cash this because this offer expired in 1997, so as of now that would be I don't know, like 25 years ago. So that's pretty crazy. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So I'm not sure if this, there was no seal here, so I'm not sure if this was ever opened before, but it possibly might have been. Okay, and this is still in its original wrapper, so we do get the microphone. Not sure if I'm going to test this or not because the monitor for the HP Pavilion already has a microphone, so I'm not sure if this is going to be needed. But, and we get a CD. Presumably with the software. There it is, the ViaVoice. Okay. And we get a very hefty instruction manual. The ViaVoice. So this is really nice. Release 9. And just, it's in black and white, not color, but it's thoughtful of them to actually pack one of these in. Page here. So from ViaVoice menu, user options, click ViaVoice options, select command set tab, select word, natural commands checkbox. If you plan to dictate in Word, also detect the word dictation checkbox. Click OK, save settings, close the ViaVoice options. So this is kind of a little rundown on how we're gonna get this thing to work correctly. Very cool. Okay. Probably keep this close by since when I install. Let's see what else comes in here. Oh, and there's apparently a second one, so we get two of them. Yeah, two microphones. That was kind of nice of them to include two of them. And then I know that I don't know if this is, what is the license? Oh, proof of purchase. Yep, there it is. From IBM. And there's the different languages that they have, Spanish, English. All right. So there's that, and then anything else? Oh, here's the rebate. Can't use it anymore because it expired 25 years ago. Or 24 years ago, in December 31st. Okay. And frequently used voice commands or commands. Oh, this is interesting. This might be actually useful because I did not know that the and sign was a ampersand. So that's kind of cool. Very interesting. And then for percent, you have to say percent sign. Pretty cool. Definitely keep this close by. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, another disc. I'm not sure what this is for. Let me see. I guess we could install both. This is the personal edition, so I don't know what the difference might be between the two discs. All right, well, that's what's inside the box. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go back to the computer and we're gonna go ahead and start installing. I'll probably just install this one. All right, we're here right back with the HP Pavilion 6636, and got my screen here on Windows 98. Just a demo that I do indeed have this microphone working. The microphone's actually right here on top of the screen. This is probably one of the reasons why I really like this original HP Pavilion style of screen, is because it did come with that microphone already incorporated, so there's no need to attach any kind of microphone. But as you can see right here, let me put up the sound recorder. There you go. It will indeed work. Let me just record a sample. Hello, testing, 1 2 3, testing. So hello, testing, 1 2 3, testing. So as you can hear, that actually works. All right, so we get an interface here. I'm hoping that this goes rather quickly because I do have a solid state drive in here. So yes, we're gonna want English. Okay. Yes. Okay, yep. Exited all other Windows programs.
Welcome to IBM ViaVoice.
Okay. Yes, we want the automatic dictation buttons. Okay, so typical Windows 98 installation there. Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, so apparently before I can use this product, I have to go through a training, a mandatory training. So we'll go ahead and complete that. It says click dictate when the dictate sentence is in the blue box. So I'm gonna go ahead and press dictate. Dictate the sentence below that is highlighted by the blue box. Click stop when finished. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This trainer provides dictation practice. Okay, everything you dictated was recognized correctly. Click next. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quit. Quick trainer. All right, let me go ahead and try to begin some dictation.
Begin dictating.
Hi, my name is Joel Blasio. Yeah, that did not work at all. Maybe I'm speaking too fast. Stop dictation.
Dictation stopped.
All right, I guess we're going to have to try that again.
Begin dictating.
Hi, my name is Joel Blasio. Stop dictation.
Dictation stopped.
All right, so this speaker doesn't seem to be understanding everything that I'm saying. I'm going to go ahead and try it now with the headset and see if I get an improvement, because as of now, I mean, that is completely not correct. So let's go ahead and try that again. Okay, so as you can see, I have the headset on. I took it out of the bag, and I'm going to go ahead and try to use this in an attempt to make it more precise, because I guess my microphone from my monitor is not working quite right. So we're going to go ahead and try it with the headset, with the microphone, and hopefully we'll get better results.
Begin dictating.
Welcome back to Joel's DIY. I am here to demo this device. Period. I wonder if this device works. It looks like it does. Stop dictation.
Dictation stopped.
Okay, so it looks like it somewhat works. I think with Joel, I don't think it did a good job. Let me try Joel. Start dictation. Oh, actually, I have to actually command it to do that.
Begin dictating.
Joel. Yeah, it still says does well, and that is incorrect. Yeah, so the device sort of works. I think I might want to compare it with the speech to text that you would see in perhaps something like Google Docs. And I can see right now that this thing is just kind of going haywire because I just am saying random things and it definitely not picking up exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm back in my wife's office getting ready to type something. So I have a Google Docs page open. So I'm going to go ahead and try the voice typing, which is right there. And I have my microphone. This is a pretty good microphone that I use often for work. So let's go ahead and just try that out. So voice typing. All right, so now I have to just click here to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and try my name and see how well that works. Hi, my name is Joel Blasio. Okay, so at least it tried to do the typing a little bit better. Let me go ahead and stop it now. Yeah, and absolutely more accurate. Stop voice recording. So I guess I have to just click it there. So definitely a lot more accurate. Okay, so here are my final thoughts. For the time, I think this was a very novel idea and probably a great idea. Unfortunately, the execution leaves a little bit to be desired. I think I mean, it was nice for them to pack, you know, all that stuff that you might need. It's just that I don't find it very accurate. Now, maybe it might be my accent, maybe it might be, you know, my voice, or how easily it is able to decode what I'm saying. But I would not recommend this for me, or for someone in my region, I guess. I'm not sure how well it would do with you know, British English or English from a different country. But I don't think it definitely worked well with me. But again, you know, this is something a product that was made 25 years ago, so I'm not sure if we were supposed to get the best results possible. Obviously, today, you know, with more modern technology, better microphones, it's definitely picking up my voice very clearly. Nonetheless, I think it's kind of just a cool vintage item that I picked up, and maybe we'll see. Anyways, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.